video will walk us through a bin transfer using standard, batch tracked items, and serialized items. Let's take a look on Agility 360 handheld, how to do that. We are going to use our bin transfer application on the Agility 360 handheld. We're going to scan our first item, which is a standard non-batch, non-serialized item. It's going to validate that with SAP Business One, and we're going to scan the bin that we want to take it from. We are now see that we have 11,000 available to us, and we are going to scan the bin that we're going to move that product to. And we are going to take 1,000 of this item over to that new staging bin. Our second item is going to be a batch tracked item, which we're going to move from one bin in the warehouse to another. Let's scan that item. Let's scan the bin that we're going to take it from. Notice it validated that item with SAP. We are going to move it from the current bin. And now it's asking us to scan the batch number because this is required. This is a batch tracked item. I can look that up. I have a batch here that has availability, but again, I would like to scan that using the barcode for efficiency and accuracy. I scan the batch. It's telling the available quantity I have in that batch, and I'm going to move that to the new bin, and I'm going to take 100 items with that batch to the new bin. That is a batched item. Now let's move a serialized item from one bin to another bin within the same warehouse. I scan that first item. I scan the bin which I'm going to take it from. I'm going to take it to the staging bin, and I'm going to move those 5 along with the serial numbers over to that new bin. Here is the transfer serial numbers. Notice I have a quantity of 5 that's needed from this bin. I can again look up the serial numbers and select them one by one. When moving those, I would normally scan these, or I could look them up, which I'm doing here. I will do all 5. I have all 5 serial numbers associated with that item to be transferred, and we will hit the post button. Now we have transferred serialized items to another bin location in the warehouse. This form can do standard, batch tracked, and serial item movements within the warehouse. Let's take a look in SAP Business One, those movements. Notice here I have that last one that we just did, which was serialized, has moved it to the staging bin. I can drill deeper into this. I can also show you the batch tracked item here that we had, chili peppers. These are all inventory transfer documents within SAP. That is simple bin transfers using WiSys Agility 360.